Meet the Zapier Acumatica AI Connector, bringing one of the world's largest AI-driven automation ecosystems into Acumatica, safely and under ERP control. Let's walk through the demo. Today, I'll show you how the Acumatica Zapier connector works with different platforms. For this demo, we'll use Shopify as an example. A customer places an order directly on the connected storefront, selecting a product, proceeding through checkout, and completing the purchase. No manual data entry, no internal order creation. Once the order is confirmed, it is automatically received inside Acumatica on the Zapier Orders screen. When we open the order, we see full structured details, item information, pricing and totals, payment status, fulfillment status, customer data, shipping address. After refreshing the screen, we can see the new order in the grid: store code, order number, customer name, total amount. The order is validated and recorded inside ERP, automatically and traceably. That's how the Zapier Acumatica AI Connector brings storefront transactions into Acumatica in near real time, under governed ERP control.